How to transfer Solana from crypto.com to Phantom wallet. For that, you need to launch your crypto.com application. Here, tap on the accounts tab in the bottom. Now select the crypto wallet option, and here you will be able to see all of the coins that you have in your account. As you can see that currently I have some Solana in my account, so you need to simply tap on Solana. Now over here you will be able to see the option of transfer, so you need to tap on transfer and select withdraw. Then select the external wallet option because you want to transfer your Solana from crypto.com to Phantom wallet, which is an external wallet. Now you can either tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, or you can tap on add wallet addresses. Now you need to select the Solana cryptocurrency again, and after selecting it, it will ask you to provide the wallet address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Phantom wallet application. Here on the home page, you need to tap on the receive option and tap on the copy button right next to Solana in order to copy the address. Now you need to come back to the crypto.com exchange, and in the Solana address you need to paste the address. Then in the wallet name, you just have to simply provide the name as Phantom wallet and press continue in the bottom. On the next page, you need to just enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer from crypto.com to the Phantom wallet and follow further instructions in order to successfully confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, within 1 to 5 minutes, you will receive your Solana into your Phantom wallet. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.